The National Cadet Corps has launched an initiative called Yuva Bhaagidari in collaboration with St. Anthony's College, Shillong. The initiative aims to tackle the rampant problem of drug and substance abuse in the society. In this context, a function was organized in the auditorium of St. Anthony's College. By mobilizing youth leaders and leveraging community partnerships, the NCC aims to make a tangible impact in the fight against drug substance abuse.
Media faces a serious threat to the lives, the future, the health, the safety of its citizens because of the burgeoning cases of trafficking of drugs and other narcotics. And it is a challenge that government alone will not be in a position to fight. We need each one of you to take it upon yourself that it is a choice between your future and that future being ruined today.